Sorting baskets in my craft room. Hi, it's Sharon, and it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and I am fixing up my decorating for Halloween. I got some suggestions from my daughter, and I like them, so I'm going to change that around a bit, so that will be in this video. And I have started tidying up my craft room. So hopefully we'll get this craft room back in order so I can feel comfortable working in it. This is a collaboration with Sunday Dawn, and there'll be many other people who are doing the collaboration as well, and you'll get great motivation from them. So these are some of the baskets that I'm sorting through, and I'm trying to put all my fairy garden stuff together and put all my flowers together, all my leaves together, and all my fairy goodies together. So I am in my living room, and I'm just getting started. I'm just trying to get things organized. Right here I have a log cabin at the bottom of these, at the bottom of this bin and some other stuff. So I'm putting the log cabin pieces into a plastic bag, and the other pieces I will put where they belong. Anyhow, I'm shooting this with my phone, so don't know why I'm holding it that way, but that's what happens. Anyhow, we'll just continue on. Okay, I have dug out all my little fairies, and I'm sticking them in a piece of styrofoam so that I can see them. When I'm building something, I can pick the fairy that I want to put in the garden, or maybe even one or two of them. And I'm just setting them on this piece of styrofoam, and I think it's going to work pretty good. Okay. And there's all my little fairies standing up there. And in the baskets below, that basket's full of all kinds of little individual leaves and stuff that I can use in the garden. And I have flowers in there and things I can use. Oh, found a leaf. Okay, this is all the little goodies I have to put in the fairy gardens, like rabbits and all kinds of good things. Okay, I've been tidying up bins and sorting, and this one has a whole bunch of green leaves in it, big leaves, a piece of ivy, and this has containers that I can make fairy gardens out of, all kinds of little things. This has leaves in it, most of them are small, perfect for a fairy garden. And this one has a whole bunch of goodies for fairy gardens, like dogs and squirrels and chipmunks and kitty cats. And this one is craft projects that I'm going to work on. I'll have more to put in there. I put all my fairies standing up on foam in there. And that's my special greenhouse fairy kit that I'm still working on once I get this craft room sorted out. And these are containers I can make fairy gardens in. And I have flowers here for fairy gardens. And these are my napkins for decoupage. This one's all kinds of wood. And these two are ribbon. They need to be tidied up. And I'll do that when I get to more organizing. And I don't know what's down here. Oh, this is more flowers. And logs and greenery. So that one can be sorted out too. But I have to do that basket, that bin, so I can put stuff in it to store it, I guess. Anyhow, my craft room's still a disaster, but I've done some bins, so I'm very proud of that. And I did my flower hanger where I keep my bigger flowers. I tidied it all up and straightened it up. So, my ghost is looking a little bit like an alien. And my daughter suggested that I use the pumpkin for his head. So that's what I'm going to do. And the pumpkin is styrofoam. So the sticks I put under here, I can stick them in the styrofoam pumpkin and then put it all back together again. So we're going to take it apart. Take the eyeballs off. And take the eyes off first. Gonna put them back on though. Okay, I cut the stem off the top of the pumpkin. Now I'm gonna put a hole in here, and then I can put this nice big branch in here, and it'll fluff out our ghost really nice. So I got the branch stuck in the pumpkin, and now I'm going to tuck it up into the sheet, and I think it's going to look good. Okay, I've got the pumpkin in there, and that makes a better head. Doesn't look like an alien anymore. And I think it looks like a pretty good ghost. The branches help fluff it out so it looks more ghostly. And of course the breeze blowing it around helps. Oops, don't know what that was. Okay, we'll get the eyeballs on. Well, there we go. My outside decorations. I also have a light that puts green spiders all over the house. And everybody's got googly eyes. The witch has googly eyes. I don't know if that makes her look scarier or funny. And the skeleton's got googly eyes. Put a twig in his mouth because I thought it looked like a cigar. That's for fun. And I fixed my ghost. I just have to cut that white off. And the breeze needs to blow it back this way so we can see its eyes. There we go. Well, we'll just go give it a little help. There we go. There's our ghost. So, once I get the spider light out, I'll come out and light everything up. Because the little pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns They all light up. Okay. Took the mum out of my front gate. Just left the heart there, and I'm just gonna put. Okay, so I put my crow in there with the twigs, and I got some black roses with eyeballs in them, which might even shine in the dark, I'm not sure, and some spiders. Okay, here it is. Spiders are crawling on the wall now, and the ghost is blowing in the wind, and the little jack-o'-lanterns are lit up, and we've got the witch and the skeleton and the ghost and the candles that are in the lantern. There's the jack-o'-lanterns and the gourds.
I need it right now, just for you.
So that's my Halloween decorations all finished. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed getting it all ready for Halloween. Well, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed it. And if you've watched it this far, thank you so much. And we'll see you in my next video, which will be Fairy Garden Thursday.